Welcome to the Tungsten Operator Masterclass training. In this session, we introduce Tungsten Operator. My name is Chris Parker, VP Customer Success here at Continuant. In this short course, we will understand what Tungsten Operator is, and we'll explore the core capabilities of Tungsten Operator and summarize the operations, and we'll also review the technology and its integrations. Tungsten Operator is essentially a Kubernetes-native automation system designed to manage MySQL database clusters using the Continuant Tungsten technology. You can think of it like a robotic database administrator. It automatically takes care of the difficult tasks such as setup, maintenance and protection of your MySQL databases in a Kubernetes environment. For non-technical users, imagine you need several copies of your critical data stored in different locations, always synchronized and ready to take over instantly if one copy fails. Using proven Tungsten clustering as the technology, Tungsten Operator enables this through the Kubernetes environment. For technical users, Tungsten Operator is a Go-based Kubernetes operator built with controller runtime. It implements the operator pattern to manage MySQL clusters and Tungsten clustering, offering built-in replication, automated failover, backup management, and operational workflows. In short, Tungsten Operator simplifies complex database management, increases reliability, and reduces the need for manual intervention. Tungsten Operator is designed to keep MySQL clusters always available and resilient using Tungsten clustering. It provides automatic failover, so if a primary database fails, another one takes over within seconds. Tungsten clustering supports different topologies, clustered, active-passive, and even active-active for high-performance workloads. And importantly, it enables zero-downtime operations for upgrades and maintenance. In our Phase 1 release of Tungsten Operator version 8.0.0, active-passive and active-active deployments are only available within the same region. Multi-region support for these topologies will be available as part of a Phase 2 release. Connection management is handled by the smart Tungsten connector. Applications always know where to send queries. Writes go to the primary on port 3306, while reads are balanced across replicas on port 3307. This improves both performance and reliability. Finally, backups are enterprise grade. The system supports hot and incremental backups and integrates with over 40 cloud storage providers. Backups can be scheduled, encrypted, and optimized to keep costs low while protecting your data. Beyond availability provided by Tungsten clustering and backups, Tungsten Operator automates daily operations. It can detect and fix common database issues automatically, reset failed nodes, and manage replication repairs. Configuration changes are applied dynamically, and secrets like passwords and certificates are handled securely. On top of that, it includes production-ready features. Resources are managed intelligently, storage and pod placement are optimized, and disruption budgets prevent too many nodes from going offline at once. For observability, it integrates directly with Prometheus and Grafana for metrics and dashboards, along with proactive alerts and structured logs. Finally, strong security is built in: TLS for encryption, Kubernetes role-based access control, network policies, and secret encryption to protect sensitive data. Altogether, these capabilities make Tungsten Operator a complete, production-ready solution for managing Tungsten clustering with MySQL clusters in Kubernetes. For more specific training on Tungsten clustering, it is recommended that you review the Tungsten Clustering Masterclass training series first. It is assumed that users of Tungsten Operator have an understanding of how Tungsten clustering works prior to using Tungsten Operator. In summary, the operations that can be performed are as follows. There is the cluster management, the backup operations, the operational tasks such as resetting the node and resetting replication, and then there's monitoring and diagnostics. We will cover these operations in more detail with demonstrations in subsequent training sessions within this masterclass series. So the key technologies and integration. Tungsten Operator is built on a foundation of modern, reliable technologies. At its core, it's written in Go version 1.23.3, a language known for efficiency and scalability. It uses Kubernetes controller runtime, industry standard operator framework, along with server-side apply for conflict-free resource management. Underneath, it leverages Tungsten clustering version 8 onwards, a proven enterprise-grade clustering solution for MySQL. In terms of integrations, it works seamlessly with the Kubernetes ecosystem. It supports Cert Manager for automatic TLS certificate management, Prometheus and Grafana for monitoring and alerting, and Helm for easy packaging and deployment. On the storage side, it integrates with CSI for dynamic volume provisioning and supports multi-cloud storage providers like AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, Azure Blob, and Mini.io. Altogether, these technologies and integrations ensure Tungsten Operator is both powerful and flexible, ready to fit into any enterprise Kubernetes environment. Tungsten Operator is designed to run on a wide range of environments from development to full-scale production and across different cloud platforms. For development and testing, it works seamlessly with lightweight Kubernetes distributions like Kind or Minikube. You can even run it on a single node for simple dev setups. Mini.io integration also allows developers to test backup workflows locally without relying on cloud services. In production environments, the operator supports multi-zone clusters to provide geographic redundancy and disaster recovery. It can work with external load balancers for production-grade traffic management and integrates with enterprise storage classes such as high-performance SSDs. A full monitoring stack with alerting ensures observability and reliability. When it comes to cloud platforms, Tungsten Operator is cloud agnostic. On Amazon EKS, it integrates with S3 for backups. On Google GKE, it supports GCS and regional persistent disks. On Azure AKS, it connects to Azure Blob Storage, and for on-premises, it runs on VMware, OpenStack, or even bare metal Kubernetes environments. This flexibility means Tungsten Operator can fit into virtually any deployment scenario, whether it's a developer's laptop, a global enterprise cluster, or a hybrid cloud environment. This diagram shows the overall architecture of Tungsten Operator and how its components interact with a Kubernetes environment. At a high level, you have the Kubernetes API server, custom resources, and the operator itself, which manages MySQL cluster pods, persistent storage, and backup systems. External integrations like Prometheus, Grafana, Cert Manager, and multi-cloud storage are also supported. Instead of walking through every detail here, I encourage you to view the full architecture diagram in our online documentation. It's easier to explore each component in your own time, see the control and data flows, and understand how monitoring and backup systems tie everything together. So thank you for your time. I hope you found this introduction to Tungsten Operator interesting, and I look forward to welcoming you on another session soon. Goodbye.